about the motivation for kids to be a part of hiking or other activities in nature or cleanup or protection of the environment. I think the best thing that we can do for them is to be a good example, that us, the PE teacher and the other teacher in school, we can be a good example for them. Also, we can involve the parents in different activities, collaborate with them, and learn the kids and the parents that the nature needs of us. And all the time that we go outside, we need to make the place better than we found, or better for in a good way, in a good shape for the others that can come outside.